Hey guys, Josh Hernandez here. You might know me as Mad Charcoal. This is the Mad Art Materials Essentials Charcoal Drawing Kit. Here we are in our magnetic box. Unleash the madness here with the QR code that goes straight to the Mad Art Materials website, so you can refill all of this material as you see fit, depending on, as different artists will go through different materials in this at different rates. So let's start off with, we have the compressed charcoal, the Mad compressed charcoal. This is a soft compressed charcoal stick. They are all soft because I believe in using a dark material and controlling how much pressure you use with the material in order to make lighter shades instead of using an actual harder material. That way you can have a uniform look, and you can go as dark as you like and as light as you like with just one material. Here we have the Kneaded eraser, the Mad Kneaded eraser in its own container. I'm not gonna mess this one up, but this is an awesome tool that you can do any kind of erasing you need, detail erasing as you shape it, or even large scale erasing. This is the Mad Willow charcoal set. So in here you have 3 really big pieces of extra rich dark willow charcoal. This stuff is awesome. It's one of my favorite things in the set. You also have your Mad Pastel palette. This is black. It's ultra fine pastel material designed around the discipline of charcoal drawing. So the way you use this is that you open it up, and I'll open it up for you guys. Brand new sealed one. This is so cool. Love the branding. So it's almost like a makeup palette, but it's for art, for drawing. You take one of these foam tips right here. Comes with 5, and you place them on top of this palette knife right here, this Mad palette knife. Of course, everything is branded in black. You're able to dip into this material here, and you can draw with that, which is fantastic. Then we have one of my favorite products in here, the Woodless charcoal pencil. Once again, this is soft charcoal. There is no wood on this charcoal pencil. All the way from the tip to the end, the entirety of this is charcoal, which is amazing because you can use it on the side, on this edge, so you can cover large scale areas, or you can use the very tip so you can do detailed drawing. And all 3 of these are also soft, so you can get really rich blacks, and you can go very light by just controlling the pressure that you're working with. Last but not least is the blending stump, the Mad blending stump. This is about a size 5 blending stump, so pretty big, but you can go very detailed with the very tip, or you can once again use this edge here to shade and blend. This is just like a rolled up cardboard essentially that that just takes whatever charcoal and whatever material you have down on your drawing and blending that out. You could also use the big edge of this and hold it this way and just soften the entire drawing like that. So these are the products that my team and I have developed together. I stand by them. They're very high quality, and it's my dream set of materials is what I set out to create. And I only use this in my drawings now. It's awesome because it's everything that I absolutely need. And so I'm excited to share it with you guys. This launches on September 1st, so make sure you grab yours. There aren't an infinite amount. So make sure you grab it. I think it's a very reasonable price as well. I want to make sure that you guys can draw with what I feel is the best materials you can get your hands on, and with a beautiful presentation. Because as artists, I believe that we have a huge interest in aesthetics, you know, and experience. And I want our drawing experience to be just as good as our drawings are, and as beautiful as we want to create our drawings. So make sure to try this out. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. I love this beautiful black on black magnetic box with the gloss black Mad logo on there. But yeah, so madartmaterials.com is where you can buy one. And I'm excited for you guys to get your hands on these. I'll talk to you guys later.